Charles Darwin said it's not the largest and strongest that survive, but the ones most responsive to change. $1.3 trillion and 1/3 of all retail spending will be people my age or younger in the millennial generation. And with that, we've developed a franchise system. There's a high risk in going alone. Put together an operations manual, training, and brand trust to package it. We have 6 locations open in 4 states, and we have 4 other states under contract as well as internationally. Our end goal is mass rollout. Thank you. Thank you.